In the earlier part, we have seen about the credit. The term credit was used in the earlier part, and how the credit plays its role to change one's system, economic status that we have seen in the earlier part. Now we will see which person gets credit. Terms of credit. What this credit asks when a person gets credit. That terms we are going to see in this part. Every loan agreement specifies an interest rate which the borrower must pay to the lender along with the repayment of the principal. In addition, lender may demand collateral against loan. The first one is whenever one is borrowing the loan, he must pay interest on that loan. Without giving interest, without charging interest, any lender is not going to give amount to any person, any borrower. So first is the interest, paying interest. Second is collateral. Collateral means security. If one is taking loan from other lender, that time some asset, some property he must give to the lender as the security of the loan. If the borrower failed to pay to repay the loan, that time the lender have a right to sell that asset and recover his payment which he has given to that borrower. So the first is interest, second is collateral. To understand collateral, look here. What is collateral? Collateral is an asset that the borrower owns, such as land, building, vehicle, livestock, deposits with bank, and use this as a guarantee to a lender unit the loan until the loan is repaid. The collateral is that security, that asset, which is a security to the loan to the lender. With the case, we will see how the loan works here. The house loan. The example of house loan is here given. Megha has taken a loan of 5 lakh from the bank. Megha want to buy a house. She is not having that much money which is needing to buy the home. That is why she went to the bank for the loan. So as she came in a bank, the bank immediately not giving the loan. Some documents are there, some important process is there that is needing to complete by the borrower. So she want 5 lakh from the bank. The annual interest for this 5 lakh is 12%. It is annual interest. The repayment is within 10 years with the installment. The 10 years span is given to repay the loan. The monthly installment is there. Monthly installment, hafta, installment. Megha had to submit. To get this loan, what should Megha do? Megha had to submit to the bank. What she had to submit here? Documents showing her employment records. She is working somewhere. That employment records she must be given to the bank. Appointment letter. Then salary records. Whatever salary sheet is there, salary receipt, the mode is there. That salary before the bank. Agreed to give her the loan. When these documents are shown to the bank, then only the bank will get agree to give loan to the Megha. The bank retain as a collateral the papers of the new house, which will be returned to Megha, along with salary, along with employment letter, The records the papers of house also as collateral. She had to give to the bank, and the bank will return that papers to her when she repaid the complete loan. That time the bank will give that papers because that is the collateral. If Mega failed to repay the loan, that time bank can take the house, sell the house, and complete its payment. So following the table, complete this table. Loan amount 5 lakh, duration of loan 10 years, documents required, employment letter, salary records, interest rate 12%, mode of repayment, installment, and collateral, house papers. So what are the terms of credit? We will see here. The terms of credit are interest rate, collateral, documentation requirement, and the mode of repayment together comprise what is called the term of credit. These are the terms of credit: interest rate, collateral, documentation requirement, the mode of repayment. These are the terms of credit. The terms of credit vary substantially from one credit arrangement to another. This is the formal credit arrangement by the bank. That is why these are the terms of collateral here we are discussing. There are differences. Also, they may vary depending on the nature of the lender and the borrower, who is taking, who is giving. On it also, it is depend. In the next section, we are going to see about it, how it is changes place to place.